All right, it's time for you guys to do one on your own. So, given this problem, when we write it down, you guys should write this down while I'm writing it down. You guys are going to go ahead and do it on your own, and then come back and check the answers. Oops, not Z. 7. There we go. All right, so this is your system. You're going to go ahead and turn it into your matrix. So go ahead and work on it, and then come back when you're done. Okay, and there it is. So hopefully you were able to do that correctly. Make sure it's in that order, alphabetical, and then it's all labeled properly with zeros as placeholders.